When doing your makeup, one often overlooked item that people forget about is bronzer. Bronzer can bring out the natural highlights of your face and give you contour. So for this episode of Stacy Links Presents, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to use bronzer. When I come back. So welcome to my channel. I'm Stacy, and for this episode I'm going to give some tips and tricks on bronzer techniques. I like to use bronzer with my makeup, and I recommend that people use bronzer when doing their makeup because it does bring out the natural highlights around your face and contours it to give you shape. And you can also change your face shape using bronzer, and I'll show you some techniques on how to do that. But before I get started, what I'll get you to do, if you're new to this channel and you're a transgender person interested in fashion, makeup, and jewelry, make sure you go down below in this video and hit that subscribe button. And click the little bell beside to be notified 30 minutes before each of my vlog premieres and anytime I upload new content to my channel. I have playlists with videos on my makeup routines, tips and tricks, fashion and jewelry that you'll love to see. Plus, I'm doing advocacy for the LGBTQIA+ community and documenting my journey as a transgender parent. Also, be sure you're following me on social media. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and on TikTok. Check the description below in this video for all my social media links. So there are many different brands of bronzer and different types and different shades as well. And you can get them from all different places. You can get them at the pharmacies, at Walmart, or wherever. Anywhere you find your regular makeup products. So for today, I'll be using the Maybelline City Bronzer. But I've been using this one quite a bit recently. As you can see, it's down pretty far already. And with my bronzer, I use this kind of a brush. And this helps to get a larger area when you're applying your bronzer. So what I'll typically do when I start applying is I'll dab it on here. And I'll try to pick up about that much. And I'll start by dabbing it on and then brush it. Lightly dab, lightly brushing. Start at the top area here. And I like to go along the hairline. And then I move on to this side and I do the same sort of thing. And I work my way down on the sides. And one thing you can do to help change your face shape, especially down in this area, is to pile the bronzer on and kind of overlap your jawbone here and here. And these can help to contour this in so it looks a lot smoother. So basically just patting it and brushing it down like this and along here. And then the last part I'll go right underneath my neck here. And this kind of draws a line at the edge of my face line here to kind of blend in to the natural color in my neck. Another thing you can use bronzer for is for contouring. You can use it in your cheek contours. You can use it on your nose. You can use it wherever you like otherwise. But doing the halo technique is probably the most common and easiest way to use your bronzer and to give you a nice finished look. Alright, so thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button down below and drop me a comment. Tell me how you use your bronzer in any alternative ways. Or if there are any other suggestions you may have for bronzer use, make sure you drop your comment below. And stay tuned for my next episode. I'll see you then. Bye!